Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to drawing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show a tool relative view. With this tool, we can define our own orthographic views. So first, let's insert our part. Let's go to Drawing tab, Model View. Let's choose part relative 3-1 and let's go with Front View. So this is our front view and it looks kind of awkward, weird. And this is not what we're looking for. So in this case, we have to define our new orthographic views. And we're gonna use the tool Relative View. So let's go to Drawing and to Relative View. If we don't have this tool here, we can go to Search command, type in Relative, and then choose Relative View. Or we can go to Insert, Drawing View, and Relative to Model. So let's click on this tool. And now we have to choose our orthographic front view, this one. And now we go directly to our part file. Here, on the left side, we have to choose orientation. So we have first orientation and second orientation. For first orientation, we can choose front, right, top, back, left, and bottom. We're gonna choose front. And for the second orientation, we can choose right, top, left, bottom, and we're gonna choose bottom. Our front orientation will be this one, and our bottom will be this one. And now let's just click OK. So we are back. Let's go with mouse to our drawing, and we have created a new front view. And this is how we can create our own orthographic views. There is also a second way how we can define our orthographic views. Let's click on this view. Let's open part. And now we want to choose another front view. And we want this one. So let's click on this one. And let's go to View Orientation and Normal to. Now let's go back to View Orientation. And here we have more options. Under more options, we have an icon here, Reset Standard Views. So when we have some awkward views, we can first start and try reset. If that doesn't work, we can define the new views by using Update Standard Views. So let's click on this one and let's choose Front View, this one. And now we have a question. Do you want to make this change? Yes. Let's exit. Let's go back to our sheet. And now we see that our view has been changed. So those are two ways how we can change our orthographic views. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.